Top 5 boring businesses that quietly make people rich. What if I told you that some of the richest small business owners don't own tech companies? They don't sell online courses. And they definitely aren't chasing viral trends. Instead, they own businesses that most people completely ignore. They're boring, they're simple, but they generate cash month after month because they solve problems people have every single day. Today on Strickman Advice, we're counting down 5 boring businesses that quietly build real wealth. Let's get started. Number 5. Pressure washing. Think about every driveway, every sidewalk, every storefront. Sooner or later, they all get dirty. Pressure washing is one of the easiest service businesses to start with relatively low equipment costs. The best part? Your work advertises itself. Clean one house and the neighbors immediately notice. One happy customer often leads to several more through referrals. Lesson: visible results create free marketing. Number 4. Appliance repair. Imagine your refrigerator suddenly stops working. Would you immediately buy a new one? Probably not. Most people try to repair expensive appliances first. Refrigerators, washing machines, dryers, dishwashers, they all break eventually. That means demand never really disappears. As skilled technicians become harder to find, businesses offering reliable repair services become even more valuable. Lesson: essential services stay valuable in every economy. Number 3. Self-storage. People keep buying more things, but they don't always have enough space. That's why self-storage facilities continue growing across America. Many customers rent storage units for months or even years. Some barely visit their unit, yet they continue paying every month. That's recurring revenue. And recurring revenue is one of the strongest foundations of a successful business. Lesson: businesses with predictable monthly income are often the most stable. Number 2. Laundromat plus pickup and delivery. People will never stop doing laundry. That's why laundromats have remained successful for decades. But here's where smart business owners make even more money. They offer pickup and delivery. Customers don't have to leave home. They simply schedule a pickup and clean clothes returned to their doorstep. You're no longer selling laundry. You're selling convenience, and people happily pay for convenience. Lesson: convenience increases profits. Number 1. Junk removal. This may be the most underrated business on the list. People constantly need help getting rid of old furniture, broken appliances, construction debris, and yard waste. Most don't want to do the heavy lifting themselves, so they pay someone else. Some of those items can even be recycled or resold, creating an additional income stream. You're solving a frustrating problem while building a scalable business. Lesson: one person's trash can truly become another person's opportunity. Final message. Here's what these 5 businesses all have in common. They don't depend on social media, they don't rely on trends, and they don't require you to invent something new. They simply solve everyday problems that people will always have. If you want long-term wealth, stop asking, what's the next big trend? Start asking, what problem will people still pay to solve 5 years from now? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Strickman Advice for more practical business and financial freedom content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.